Hello class, today I will start a new topic of chapter 5. Okay, so new topic is the keyboard. What is keyboard? The keyboard is an input device. It is used to type or enter data in the computer. It looks like a typewriter. You all have seen the keyboard in your computer practical class. This device is made up different types of keys. Okay, those buttons are called keys. It is also includes the shortcut keys. That means control plus X, that means this is cut, and control plus P, that means print, control plus C, that means copy. These keys are called the shortcut keys. Okay, that enable us to carry out certain tasks more easily and quickly. Usually a keyboard has something between 104 to 110 keys. Some keyboard has 104 keys or some keyboard has 110 keys. In addition to the typing keys, the keyboard also has a numeric keypad. Okay, that means number keypad, through which you input numbers. As I told you, it has control keys like home, page up, page down, insert, delete, end, control, alternate, that means alt, and escape, short form is ESC, that let you carry out this simple task with just one click. These keys of a keyboard are similar to the typewriter keys. The keys of a keyboard can be divided into following groups. Okay, so there are many groups are there. Okay, so first group name is alphabetic keys. The alphabetic keys are used to type the letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, these all are alphabet. So it's very simple that alphabetic keys are clicked for typing the alphabet on our computer. Alphabet means A to Z. We all write words with these alphabetic keys. The keys are, however, not exactly in alphabetical order. The keys are arranged in QWERTY arrangement. That means you can see on your keyboard the keys are W, Q, E, R, T, Y, and in second line A, S, D, F, G, and third line is Z, X, C, V, B. That means these all are keys are not arranged by alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, not like that. This is like Q, W, E, R, next line A, S, D, F. That means it is called QWERTY keypad. Okay. You can type small as well as capital case letters using the alphabetic keys. Some special characters nearby alphabetic keys are brackets, square brackets, front slash, quotes, double quotes, comma, full stop, etc. Okay. Then we will come to our next point. Next point is numeric keys. There are 0 to 9 numeric keys on the keyboard. On pressing these keys, the digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. can be typed and displayed on screen. All these keys have special characters printed on them. These special characters are exclamatory sign, $, dollar sign, percentage, and etc. Okay, you can see on your keyboard, at the top of your keyboard, there are some keys like F2, and bottom next line of your keyboard there is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys you can see the corner of the keys. There is written like exclamatory sign, $, slash, percentage, comma, whatever. So these all are called some special characters. Okay. On pressing the shift key and these number keys simultaneously, the special characters are displayed on screen. If you press on the shift key and then same time simultaneously on one the sign will be you can see in your screen, that is exclamatory sign. If you press shift and 2 at the same time, you can see the added at the rate of sign on your screen. Okay, if you are pressing only 1 2, so in your computer screen you can see the 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if you don't press the shift key and the number keys simultaneously, only this time. For example, to display the character special character on the screen, press shift key and then digit the digit key 3 simultaneously. As I told you, this is the example is written on your book. Okay, then next point is functional keys. What is called the functional keys? These the keys are the top of the keyboard, labeled F1, F2, F3, whatever. It is up to F12. These keys carries different functions of different software. Then special keys. There are many special keys can be used for performing special task. Each special keys is assigned for special task. This task cannot be changed by us. We all know, now discuss about the special keys. Okay, so first is enter key and the start key. We all also known as the start key. So enter key and start key both are same. Okay, the enter key is used to shift a cursor to the next line. We can see that if you have ended any line in your document, if you want to go to the next line of this line, you can press the enter key and the cursor will go to the next line. Okay, it is common for most standard keyboards to have two enter or start keys, one with alphabetic keys and another on the numeric keypad. There is a note, what in a Apple keyboard enter key is known as return key. Only for Apple keyboard enter key is known as return key, but for others it is enter key or the start key. Then space bar key. You can see there is a long key in your keyboard. This is called the space bar key on the bottom of your keyboard. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, spacebar key is used to give space between two words, letters and the numbers. Then control key. A keyboard has two control keys. You can see the one control key is in left side and one control key is in right side. Okay, they are used for issuing some special control instructions to the computer. Okay, understood? Thank you, class.